Hi, have a good day. This is Allan, and today is I want to share you a video tutorial how to configure your Easy One app. How to configure your payment. So we are now here in dashboard. Click it here, my account, select my profile, then click this one, personal information. You need to fill up this one. About me is you put your picture, you put something few sentences about you. If you have YouTube video, you can use that one. If you don't have, just leave it. About billing information, you put your address here. This is the very important thing. Your custom payment information. If you want to accept via Western Union, you can do that. You can put it here. And then, if you want to use PayPal, you can put it here, your PayPal account. So I have a message here, how to use PayPal account. You will write it here. So I write it here is something like this. Hi, future millionaire. If you prepare to pay me via PayPal business account, just send me your payment directly to the Red Egg Company. Click this link and type the amount of level what you want. Activate. So if you want to use your PayPal, copy, same like this. You need to open your PayPal.me account. Then, after your payment, contact me. You put your Facebook URL, same this one. Same this. So it is become clickable. If you are accepting Bitcoin, you can put it here also. Thank you and journey. So if you are living in the US, you can open your account here, authorized.net. Also, you can open your Stripe account. So, I am not living in the US. I am living here in the Philippines, but I have Stripe account because I opened a company in Delaware, USA. So, I am able to get the EIN number, which is the number one requirement to open an account. So, after you configure everything here, you just need to update your profile, and that's it. And on my next video, I will teach you how to create your PayPal.me account. See you and bye-bye.